I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing a Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul. This is my favorite time of year for Bath & Body Works because this is really, except for a handful of occasions, this is really the only time of year I allow myself to purchase from Bath & Body Works because everything is so steeply discounted and I never like to pay full price for anything at Bath & Body Works because some of the products can get a bit pricey at full price, so I always like to get a deal whenever I can. So starting off with the first few products, these are actually all products that I picked out for my boyfriend. He has a scent from Bath & Body Works that is like his signature scent and we both really love it, and that is the coffee and whiskey scent. I just absolutely love the scent on him, and it's one of those things where it's just like, that is my boyfriend. That smells like my boyfriend. So we both really love the scent, so anytime the sale comes up, I always like to pick him up some goodies, and this time I picked him up several things. So I, of course, had to get him the Cologne in coffee and whiskey. The bottle design is actually a little bit different this year, so I think he'll kind of enjoy that. It's the same like bottle shape, but just the little design is a little bit different. So I think he might still have one from the last sale that I got him, the Cologne in December, but he's got another one now, so I picked that up for him. So then I also picked this up because I pretty much just picked up whatever they had in this scent, that way he would have it. So I also got him the body spray, of course, in coffee and whiskey. And then I got him the Ultra Shea lotion. This is like my favorite formula of the lotion, so I got that one for him as well. And then I had to get him the body wash too. Now they call this a 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash. Men's products are so weird. Like it can be a shampoo, it can be a conditioner, it can be a face wash, a body wash, an engine oil. Honestly, I tell him, just use this on your body. Don't put this on your face, don't put this in your hair, just use this on your body. So hopefully he'll listen to me, but you know how men are. And then the last thing I got him kind of ties back with something that I got him in the last haul back in December. I got him a coffee and whiskey Wallflower, but I didn't realize that he didn't have the wall adapter for it, and I told him he could have one of mine, but they were all pink and girly, and so I don't think he was really into that. So luckily they had one on sale that is a little bit more of like a masculine style, so I picked this one up for him. It is a black marble kind of design, and I think that he'll really like this one, and now he'll be able to use the Wallflower that I got him like 6 months ago. So those are all the things that I got for him. I definitely love picking up stuff on sale, and if I would have bought all of this full price, it would have been well over $100. So I think I ended up paying around $40-ish for all of this combined. So I would say that's a pretty good deal. Pretty much got everything there for the price of less than one full-size cologne. So my girl math is kicking in and I'm definitely saving money. So next up is everything else kind of for me, but I did try to rein it in just a little bit because I'm not gonna lie, I do have a very extensive Bath & Body Works collection, and I use everything, and I'm always using the body washes, the lotions, the fragrance mist, everything, but I do have a big collection, so I tried to kind of rein it in a little bit this year. So for me, I think this is pretty tame, but some people might say, girl, that's still a lot of stuff. So for body washes, I ended up only getting 2 of them. I feel like every semi-annual sale, I kind of hone in on like a specific thing, and I'll get like a whole bunch of body washes or a whole bunch of candles or a whole bunch of lotions or a whole bunch of hand soaps, whatever it may be. But this time I was pretty tame on the body wash, so I only got 2 different body washes. The first one I got here is called Cotton Candy Clouds. I believe I've had this one before and I really liked it. This one is spun sugar, pink berries, and whipped vanilla. Next up, this one, I don't know if it's a new scent or just like a new to me scent, but this one is called Sweetheart Cherry. And this one is wild cherry, crushed pistachio, and whipped vanilla. So this one, let me see what it smells like. This smells like, okay, to me, this smells like, and I would not have expected it from the packaging because I felt like they would have maybe like kind of given you a hint at what it smells like. To me, this smells a lot like the Rio de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, and I would have never guessed that. I just picked this one up on a whim, but it smells a lot like that. I don't have the two to compare like directly, but it's in that family and it smells delicious. I think I might have to see if they have more products in this scent because it smells so good. I think I might be placing another order soon. So that was all I got for the body washes. So now moving on to the hand soaps. Again, I only got 3 this time. I felt like I was pretty restrained. So the first one I got here, the scent is Rainbow Cereal, and this one says, "You're the doggone best." I'm not gonna lie, I don't really love the packaging design on this one. I really kind of got it for the scent, which is kind of like a fruity, Fruit Loops, Fruity Pebbles type scent. It says it's fruity cereal crunch and a splash of milk. So let's see how this one smells. Oh yeah, it definitely smells like Fruity Pebbles, Fruit Loops. Yeah, I can definitely smell that one. This one's gonna be a really fun one to use, so I'm glad I picked that one up. And then next up I got one, I think this was probably left over from their Easter collection. This one is called Cottontail Cake Pop. I really like the packaging of this one, it's blue and pretty. This one is delicious cake batter, rainbow sprinkles, and fluffy buttercream. So let's see about this one. Ooh, this one's good too. This one almost smells more like a fruity cake rather than a super rich buttery cream kind of cake, but I do like this one as well, so that's gonna be a lovely one. And then I'm not gonna lie, this one I kind of got for the packaging. I feel like it's just so pretty and sleek and I love it. So this one is called Pink Lavender and Espresso. I just love this nude blushy pink kind of color. This one is rich pink lavender, caramel espresso beans, and smooth vanilla. So let's see what this one smells like. Ooh, this one's really, really good. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, I never really thought that lavender and coffee went well together, but I have a little sneak peek for you guys. I do have a lavender and coffee soap coming soon, and it smells so good, you guys. I really love it. I never would have thought lavender and coffee went so well together, but it definitely does, and this smells amazing, and my soaps smell amazing too. But I'll have another video coming very soon, probably in a few weeks or so, on me making that soap. All right, so that was it for the hand soaps. Now moving on to the body lotions. Now, I prefer the body lotions that come in the tube like this. These are just my favorite. I don't really care for the ones that come in the little bottle. I find that the texture of them are just a little bit thinner, more watery, so these are definitely the ones I tend to go for. And so, of course, I got the Cotton Candy Clouds scent, so that'll be great to pair with the body wash that I got. And once again, this one is spun sugar, pink berries, and whipped vanilla. So always love those flavor combinations. And then in the same kind of packaging style, this one is called Cloud 9. This one is Lavender Breeze, Morning Dewdrops, and Cozy Ambers. Let's see what this one smells like. Ooh, this one's really good. This one is a fresh, clean, slightly floral sweet kind of scent. To me, I'm almost getting a watermelon-y kind of scent rather than the lavender. Almost like a lavender watermelon mixed together, which is strange, but I love it. Also, another combination I wouldn't have thought would smell so good, but it really does. All right, the next one I got is called Whipped Coconut Milkshake. This one is really cute. I feel like I might have had this one before. I don't know if I've used it before, but I feel like it feels familiar. This one is vanilla ice cream, toasted coconut, and sugared amber. This one just smells like a really sweet coconutty kind of suntan lotion. If you're into that, this is a really good one too. Then in that same kind of style, this one's called Strawberry Soda. Again, I don't know if this is just a new to me or if they've had this one before. It sounds new, but this one is fresh strawberries, bubbly seltzer, and crushed ice. This one's really good. This one really does smell like a fizzy strawberry soda, like a crushed soda or like a Fanta soda. It's got that really sweet and tart kind of strawberry scent, a real fresh cut strawberry. So then the next one I got is called Watermelon Lemonade. I really love lemonade and I love the scent of watermelon. So it's watermelon ice, sparkling water, and sugared lemon. Oh yeah, this one's really good. This one smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. I love those. Those are one of my favorite ones ever. And then I got this one. This one's looks a little more luxy kind of. This one is called Luminous. Again, I don't know if this is a new scent or if they've had this one. This one is Ruby Currant, Gilded Iris, and Praline Amber. So let's see. Ooh, this one's very almost like a perfumey kind of scent. Very rich on the berry side, that currant scent. It has that juicy, but then that kind of musky amber as well. This one's really good. I would have to say this one is a little bit more of a heavy perfumey kind of scent. Just borderlining on a grandma type of scent, but in a good way. I would say this is not grandma, maybe mature mother or your older aunt, but I think it smells really, really good. If you're into more of like a really sophisticated, mature, perfumey type of scent, this one's really good. I like that one a lot. That is such a different scent than I would have expected, but I really like it. All right, and then the last lotion I got couldn't have been more perfect. This one is Firecracker Pop, and I actually just started using the one that I bought last year. I just started using it this week, and as I was using it, I was like, oh, this one smells really good. I need to repurchase more of this one, so I'll have it in my collection. I was one step ahead of myself because apparently I had already bought another one and I hadn't even used it yet. But this one is Red Cherry, Fresh Citrus, and Juicy Berry. This one is so delicious. It smells just like these bomb pops or rocket pops, whatever you call these. It smells just like it, and I really, really like this one. So I was one step ahead of myself this year. So next up, moving on to like candles and candle accessories. Now I'm not gonna lie, I typically don't really buy any of their like little candle holders or like the pedestals, but for some reason this one just kind of caught my eye and it was on sale, and I just felt like it was really like pretty and elegant, and I thought it would look nice in my house. And I like that this one had like the little glass like pillar part on the bottom, and I think I do have some before that's just kind of like this like top part here where it's just like the little cage part, but I like that this one was elevated and I just felt like it looked really like cute and classy. And then moving on to the candles, so this one kind of caught my eye just because I watch a lot of like Disney vloggers and like Disney content and kind of stuff, but I'm not a very big Disney person myself. I've only been to Disney World twice in my life, once when I was 5, so I barely remember anything, and once when I was 10 with a family friend, and once again I barely remember anything. So I have not been to Disney World since like 2004, 2005 maybe, so 20 years. So I'm really not up on the like the whole Disney thing, but this one caught my eye and I wondered if it was like supposed to kind of be like a Disney thing. It's called Main Street Bakery, and this one is fresh banana, vanilla wafers, and cinnamon sugar. So let's see what this one smells like. This one smells so good. This one smells like a vanilla wafer pudding plus the cinnamon, and just it's got that warm, rich kind of feeling. Gosh, I can't get enough of this one. I'm typically not a big banana fan, but there is something about this one that just, it's really, really good. Like a banana pudding and that, and like the vanilla wafer, like I'm totally getting all of those notes. I can't wait to burn this one though, because I think it's gonna smell like so delicious. So this might be the next one I have to burn. Then next up, I got this one. It's kind of funny. The little label they put on here is a little wonky. So when I was looking at it, I'm like, something is not right about this candle. But this one is Toasted Cinnamon Sugar. And the notes of this one, warm cinnamon, brown sugar crumble, and sweet glaze. Oh my gosh, this one smells so good. It smells like a churro. It smells like cinnamon rolls. It smells like cinnamon toast crunch. This one is really good, and I think that I'm gonna try to, if I can make it, I'm gonna try to save it for like fall time, because this is just gonna be one of the best like warm, cozy kind of like scents ever. I really, really like this one. I never thought I was such a big cinnamon fan, but honestly, it's so good. All right, next up we have Paris Cafe. I do believe I've had this one before, and this is such a good one. This one is rich roasted coffee, sugared brioche, and vanilla cream. This one, guys, I love coffee scent so much, but I'm not a coffee drinker, so this is like my way of like getting the coffee deliciousness vibes. So this one is such a strong candle. I had this one sitting in here in this room, and when I walked in, lid on, I can smell this in the room without even opening it. So I can't wait to burn this one. It's always a wonderful one. And this one just has like a very nostalgic smell to me. It smells like my childhood coffee shop that my mom used to take me to whenever I was like 4. And before I even went to school, we'd do like mom and daughter dates and we'd go to the coffee shop. And so this one just always kind of has like a really strong scent memory for me. But a more like modern smell is the best way I can describe it, is like if you have a Books-A-Million with the coffee cafe in it, this is exactly what it smells like, and it always just smells so, so good. So I'm a big fan of that one. I had to, of course, pick up another one. And then for the final one I got, I don't think I've had this one before, but this one is gonna be so good. I can already tell. This one is called Almond Croissant, and the scent notes for this one, it is toasted almonds, vanilla glaze, and flaky croissant. All my favorite things. You guys, another like really strong, like I can smell this with the lid on strong. This one is such a good candle. I know it already. And if you guys are familiar, I have found my all-time favorite Bath & Body Works candle scent, and it is Danbury Shortbread from the Bridgerton collection. However, unfortunately, it is, I believe, a limited edition scent, so it is going to kill me whenever I burn through all of those candles and I don't have it anymore, because it's just such a good scent. And this one, I feel like, even though it's not the same scent, it's in the same scent family. I do think that the Danbury Shortbread is a little bit more sweet and like vanilla-y and glazy kind of scent, but this is definitely like a very similar family type kind of scent to it. It's like maybe not a sister, maybe like a cousin, I would say, of Danbury Shortbread. So think that this one's gonna have to be like my like permanent collection all-time favorite whenever I won't be able to get that Danbury Shortbread one anymore. So I'm just hoping they rename that one and like make it a permanent candle, because it's so amazing. Alright guys, so that is everything that I got from the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of think I want to go back and get some more things, but I am going to try to resist. But if you guys see another Bath & Body Works haul video in a couple weeks, you know that I gave in to my urges to buy some more things. I have to go back and see if there is more Sweetheart Cherry scents, because I love that Boom Boom type scent and I just need more of that in my life. So I might try to see if I can get some more of that. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later.